Did you know one beer a day could cost you your future car or even your house? A $5 beer every day doesn't sound like much until you do the math. $5 times 30 days equals $150 per month. 150 times 12 months equals $1,800 per year. And over 40 years, that adds up to $72,000. That's enough to buy a brand new car. Or even a house, if you're smart with your money. But it gets better. If you invested just $5 a day at 7% interest, after 40 years, you wouldn't just have $72,000. You'd have over $400,000. Small daily habits really add up. Do you want a beer today or a car and a house tomorrow? If you want to learn how to invest and what to invest in, stay on our channel. We will teach you everything in the next videos. Thanks for watching. Take care of your future, one small choice at a time. And if you want a friend on that journey, subscribe and stay with us.